The SNP Government has dumped plans to introduce a new law aimed at clamping down on misogyny. Nationalist ministers at Holyrood have long promised to improve protections for women and girls, but the government has now said it does not have time to draw up a law following the recent landmark UK Supreme Court ruling on gender. In a statement, SNP Minister Jamie Hepburn said, "This is a complex area of policy and law, and it would be necessary that any bill which brought misogyny into criminal law contained clear and unambiguous provisions in regard to the circumstances in which they apply. This would include the implications of the recent Supreme Court judgment. Given the short time left in this parliamentary session, there is insufficient time for a bill to be finalised and introduced." SNP ministers have also pushed back plans to introduce legislation to end conversion practices. Kaukab Stewart said the Scottish Government will continue to work with Westminster on a UK-wide approach. She promised that if the UK Labour government fails to legislate on the issue, an SNP government will publish its own bill in year one of the next parliamentary session. The Scottish Government previously committed to banning conversion therapy, which aims to change or suppress a person's sexual orientation or identity, as part of the power-sharing deal between the SNP and the Scottish Greens. The decision has sparked anger among the latter party, who have long called for action on the issue. Green MSP Maggie Chapman said, "Dropping these bills sends a worrying message about the government's commitment to equalities and a shameful backward step. Violence against women and girls is a national emergency. The misogyny bill was a vital step in ensuring that reports of harassment and assault are taken seriously. LGBTQIA+ people are put at serious risk by cruel, harmful conversion practices that are currently flying under the radar. I urge the Scottish Government to reconsider their shameful decision and make good on their promise to improve equalities and human rights in Scotland through these bills today."